Guys, today I'm very excited. Today I have a print version of my book, Simran Chhabra Murder Case from Investigation to Trial in my hands. I'm super excited. I'm as excited as like a kid. This book is available on Amazon.com. The print quality is decent. So let me tell you what's there in this book. So this book is basically on the case which I am handling, which is the death of a girl named Simran Chhabra, 20, rather I'll say a young woman named Simran Chhabra, 22 years old. She died on 21st of January 2023 at the hands of a medic. His name is Rohit Lalit. Now, so many people die, and of course, anyone who is born, he is blessed to die. For me, death is a blessing of a person. But this book is not about Simran. This book is about the fight back of her family to seek justice, not just for Simran, for all those Simrans who are in the queue of death at the hands of these doctors. Now, so for me, the real motivation to write this book was to narrate you about how difficult it is for an ordinary person to fight and seek justice if entire system is ready to shield the criminal. If you'll read this book, I have tried to be very honest in writing this book. If you'll see, if you'll read, you'll find that doctor, of course, is a criminal. The doctor in question, I'm not blaming the entire doctor's fraternity. But because of his political power, because of his money power, because of his resourcefulness, the way he molded the police investigation, he did not let any police investigation happen. He managed and manipulated the medical negligence board, the board which was formed as an outcome of the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. So those doctors who were members of that district medical negligence board, for the sake of petty little arms, कितने रिश्वत मिली होगी, even maybe few lakhs, they manipulated their report in such a way the doctor, despite glaring evidence of misconduct, unethical practices, they exonerated him. Thereafter, when I took over the case, there was a brutal assault on me. I was on the verge of death. I survived somehow. Then when we investigated ourselves, because police was not there to help us, when we investigated ourselves, we found that his hospital itself is built on an illegal structure. His hospital is illegal. And then we discovered that municipal authorities are also hand in glove with him. Despite the complaints against him that he has created an illegal structure, despite the notices issued for demolition against him, the authorities did not take action for years. And had the authorities taken action against him, way back in 2021, Simran would have been alive and this case would have not been there at all. But the buck doesn't stop here. The buck doesn't stop here. When I say judiciary, I am saying at every level, the people were corrupt. If they were not corrupt, they were unsympathetic to Simran. Or in larger interest, I will say they are unsympathetic to what pains as a victim you go through. The High Court judge who stayed the trial, without listening us, without hearing us. I mean, what good things can I say about him? And I mince no words. If someone is a dark soul, I'll call him a dark soul, regardless of the seat he is capturing, I am not in contempt. It is he who is in contempt of that chair, not me. I am very clear on that. I mince no words. So in this book, I have narrated the entire incident, all the flaws in the police investigation. In this book, I have even referred about assault on me, and I have also tried to, so fairly, if in case I'll say that we are very successful in this case as far as the criminal trial is going on. We have got 12 or 15 cases we filed against the accused here in this entire case. Now, so I have tried to open all my strategies. I have listed on all my strategies that whatever I have done to ensure that Simran gets the justice in this book. So probably if in case you are a victim, not just of medical negligence, of any crime, and you want a speedy justice, while navigating the maze of Indian judicial system, how you can do it, how you can push yourself way through the system, all those probably little bit of help you will get from this book. So this book is available in 2 versions. It's available in print form on Amazon.com, but this book is also available on as a Kindle version on Amazon, which is fairly cheap. So buy this book, read. The language is a little rough also at times, but as I say that I mince no words. If a judge, in my opinion, was a corrupt, I have called him corrupt. If a judge, in my opinion, was spineless, I have called him spineless. If a judge, in my opinion, was unempathetic, I have missed no words in calling him so. If a policeman was corrupt, I have called him corrupt, chore. So I am super excited. It's an impromptu video. There is no script to it. It is very difficult for me to hide my excitement, and I guess you'll be able to see the kind of smile I have on my face that I'm super excited. It's the first ever time that I have written a book. If you like it, then do tell me. Thank you.